Hello friends, I am Hardik Sharma and today we are going to discuss chapter 1 of ICSE class 10th chemistry, that is periodic table, periodic properties and variations in properties. Today we are going to discuss third periodic property, that is electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy. It has two names. Okay, so what's electron affinity? The amount of energy released when one electron enters into an outermost shell of an isolated gaseous atom. Means suppose this is any atom and an electron wants to enter into the shell. Okay, so it needs to release some amount of energy. Some energy has to be released, and this released energy is known as electron affinity. Okay, its unit is electron volt or kilojoule per mole. Its sign is negative because it represents the energy released. Okay, that's why we are using negative sign for representation. Next, we are going to discuss factors affecting it. Okay, first factor is atomic size. Okay, let's take two atoms. One containing two shells and another one containing three shells. Electron wants to enter here and electron wants to enter here. Okay, on this electron, nuclear pull is more. Okay, because the distance is less, attraction is more. Okay, so it can be easily entered and less amount of energy is released. But in this case, distance is less, attraction is less. So electron has to use its own energy to enter. Okay, so that's why less energy is released. Okay, so what we got from here, atomic size is inversely proportional to electron affinity. So energy released is more here and less here. Okay, next factor is nuclear charge. Okay, let's take two electrons having two shells. Both are having two shells. Now let's suppose the nuclear charge over the nucleus is here is 5 and here 9. Okay, suppose now electron wants to enter here. Since here nuclear charge is more, so more the tendency of atom to attract the electron, so more amount of energy will release. More amount of energy will release. Energy released is more. But here nuclear attraction is less, so energy released is less. So what we got? Nuclear charge is directly proportional to electron affinity. Okay, we got two factors. Now we will see the trend. Let's see about trend in electron affinity. Trend down the group. Down the group, atomic size increases and also nuclear charge increases. Okay, so electron affinity increases, should increase or decrease. Okay, atomic size dominates over. Since atomic size dominates over, electron affinity decreases. Across the period, atomic size decreases and nuclear charge increases. Okay, so both conditions favor for increase in electron affinity. Okay, so down the group, electron affinity decreases and across the period nuclear electron affinity increases. Now there's an exception. Okay, since down the group electron affinity should decrease. So in the group of halogens we have fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. तो जो रूल है उसके हिसाब से इलेक्ट्रॉन एफिनिटी को घटना चाहिए, तो उसके हिसाब से F should have a less electron affinity than Cl, but F is having greater electron affinity than Cl, but according to the exception, F is having less electron affinity than Cl. Okay, how? Let's see. In fluorine we have two shells, and in chlorine we have three shells. Okay, both have 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So this is electron which has to enter. Okay, here atomic size is smaller and here atomic size is bigger. Okay, so the incoming electron feels inter-electronic repulsion, and to minimize that repulsion, it takes some amount of energy which is released by it. Okay, suppose it releases 10 joule of energy. Okay, but To overcome the interelectronic repulsion, it takes some amount of energy. Suppose it has taken 4 joule. Okay, so the net value becomes 6 joule. Okay, but here if it has released 10 joule, okay, since atomic size is bigger, the interelectronic repulsion can be overcome without taking the energy, so the electron affinity remains 10 joule. That's why fluorine is having less electron affinity than Cl. And one more exception is we have beryllium, nitrogen, neon have low electron affinity. We have one question which has came in 2015. We have to arrange chlorine, fluorine, bromine, iodine in increasing order of electron affinity. Okay, अगर हम simply देखें तो ऐसे आएगा. But according to exception, answer is chlorine, fluorine, bromine and iodine in increasing order. Iodine, bromine, fluorine and chlorine. This is the answer. Okay, we have some important things about electron affinity. Electron affinity is highest for halogens and least for alkali metals. Alkali metals means group 1 metals, and halogens means group 17 non-metals. Okay, and electron affinity of neon is 0. So friends, this is for today. We will continue in the next video with the topic electronegativity. Till then, bye. If you like the video, so please like it, and also share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you can get the notification of new videos. You can get the notes in the form of PDF in description box, so you can download it and prepare. Thank you.